What's that?
I forgot about that.
Huh? What is it? A birthday gift again?
Whoa, this is my birthday
happened?
gift.
What
You
is
gotta
that?
wait till the battery's charged up anyway.
Let me see. Okay, taking a picture of you.
I can use my
Yeah, you're gonna have
screwdriver.
to share with Mary Grace, right?
Nope.
What?
I'm just kidding. Yes.
Mary Grace shared with you.
Yeah. I was
She
just
shared.
kidding.
She just
I
joking.
shared my doll. Holy crap! This is so. That's so sharp.
Don't show sharp.
Don't ever try it. I can only because. Oh yeah, in the other side.
Happy birthday to you on Tuesday.
Thank you.
It's still Friday.
Oh, it's not my birthday yet.
But
This
you
is
have
my
already.
birthday gift.
But you already have gift. Look at the age. Oops, 6. Let's see. Don't. No, did you open this? You did not
Oh
open
yeah.
it.
No. I want to do
No, that's his gift. That's his gift. Put down. Maybe I'll do it.
No, I can.
No problem when you have. It should be in C. Sorry.
See?
Okay. Let me see. Wait.
Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah, this one. What?
Holy crap!
What's that?
Wait, also my batteries. Nice.
Nice. You don't have scissors?
Alright.
Wow. What a gift.
This is my best birthday gift so
Uh-huh.
far. Wait, I think I need my
Scissor.
no, I need my screwdriver.
Be careful, Drake, on your eyes. No. Stop.
Wait, hold on.
Stop. I'll do it. No. Here. Here, I'll do it. Don't move now. Hold on. Okay.
Oh my god. I dropped my second screwdriver. My goodness. I have a ton of screwdrivers.
Put all together.
Oh yeah, don't forget about the batteries. These are nice. Good. Okay. Need my one screwdriver.
No hurry, okay? Can you do it or you need help?
Hold on. There we go.
No scratches like that?
Nope. There you go.
Okay. You can ask help Daddy.
I don't need some help. I don't need help.
You got your drone too, Mary Grace, okay? We're going to fix it. That's why you don't get sick. Okay, hopefully you don't.
This is taking forever. yet.
Not yet.
What the heck?
Hmm.
Somebody tightened it.
Need help now. Let me see. Hold it here.
That's going to be.
Hold it here.
Wait. I think it needs the drum.
Like this, Declan. Oh, look. Like this, look. Maybe you turn it wrong way. Over here, oh.
What?
Like this. Like this. Come on.
Oh, yeah.
Probably wrong way. And hold it left hand. Yeah.
This way?
Yeah. But now. Now it's okay?
No, it's not yet.
That's enough.
No,
Let's see.
no.
Should be already okay. Let me see. That's enough. Take off. You don't need. Put down here. Up in here. I'll do it. Hold it. Okay, hold it. Hold it. Okay, hold it. Hold it, Declan. Why it won't take off? It won't come out.
Maybe they
Yeah.
tighten it.
Yeah.